Hello traders, so welcome to this amazing session, and I'm going to be showing you in details how to get at least a 95% 99% win rate by this simple strategy. Okay, this is the methodology that I use, and it's called top-down analysis. So the first thing I want to do is select a coin. Here it's AVAX USDT, and you can see we're actually on the weekly time frame. Now, the weekly time frame is going to show you the projection of this coin or any asset that you choose. Now, why are we using the weekly time frame? The weekly time frame, of course, would show you the direction and projection. I repeat, show you the direction and projection, meaning it's going to tell you if a project is on a bull trend or if a project is obviously on a downtrend, which is bearish. Now, after plotting your support and resistance, which are your key levels on the weekly time frame, we're going to have to come down to the daily time frame to see and identify current market trends. Now, can you see that at this particular point in time on the daily time frame, we can see that they're actually what? We're actually having current we're actually having a current change of character here, and obviously liquidity has been swept. So an established trend has been set for us, ready to play out on the daily time frame. Now, the next thing we want to do is to come down again. Come down again to the 4-hour time frame. Now, the 4-hour time frame is where we'll now try to identify chart patterns, resistance and support, and all of those things. Now, if we look very, very clearly here, you can see that we already have an accumulation ongoing here, and price has retested it perfectly fine. This is an accumulation currently ongoing. This here is an accumulation. You can see we had a range. See, we had a range bound here. Of course, had a higher range bound here. Now, what has price just done? Let me take out this box so you see clearly. Price has taken out completely these lows. All right, I'm not supposed to be teaching this, but I just want to make it very clear for record purposes. Now, this low has been taken out, so we have obviously a liquidity sweep ongoing here, but this is Wyckoff I'm teaching right now. So a liquidity sweep has occurred here. Price has gone up, manipulated, retested, and of course it has broken out of this range. Now, the next thing is to wait for price to come back into this range. Now, price has come back into this range again to retest this upper level, right? A retail trader is going to see this as an ascending triangle. All right, a retail trader is going to see this as an ascending triangle, and he's going to trade in this particular pattern. He's going to see this as an upper resistance, and he's going to what? Anticipate a move that price is going to come back to retest this level, which is here. And it has done exactly that for us, but this is not a retail concept. This is strictly SMC and Wyckoff. Now, here's our range bound upper range limit. Price has come back to retest this level. Now, if you pull out your fib, I gave this, I'm currently on this trade right now. If you pull out your fib from here to here, let's see what it's looking like. You can see that we have retested 0.618. Price has retested 0.618. Let me make this black in color so it doesn't conflict what we're doing. Now you see price has retested 0.618 very, very clearly from this range low to this range high. All right, price has retested 0.618, which is a golden pocket. Now when price does this and you eventually see that it is retesting a key level, whether support or resistance, this is a very high confluence trade. Look at this. It's a high confluence trade. I'm telling you for real. When you see that price has a 0.618, type it here so that you see it. 0.618 big level. And retesting a support or resistance, not a resistance, key level. Support resistance, key level. Now, this is a very high confluence trade because it's in line with not just the entire weekly time frame schematic, which is already showing that it is bullish, but the daily and the 4 hours are in sync. So obviously, this is a high probability trade setup. And if you are privileged to see this right now, kudos to you. All right, kudos to you. So you can go into this trade right about now. All right, now, another example is that a lot of traders are going to see this as, I made this mistake before and I had to correct it. A lot of traders are possibly going to see this as the resistance. This is not the resistance. This is what? Not the resistance. I'm going to repeat again. This is not, or rather the support. This is not the support level. Okay, it is not a support level. Here is the actual support level because price broke out from here. Okay, here used to be the resistance, it flipped to support. So this level is what we call an inducement. It is not a key level. So here is the key level. Here where it is right now, it was the key level. So guys, this is an amazing strategy that you should be using when making your analysis. It is very, very accurate. You're going to get a lot of wins when you use this strategy. I'm going to see if GMT is currently doing the same thing. I love this project a lot. This GMT is one of my favorites. Okay, I'm anticipating this move. I'm currently anticipating this move. You can see there's a trend line here. A lot of traders have been trapped here. Okay, thinking that, oh, this is a breakout. This is not a breakout. When price reverses back into this range, back into this trend line range, I'm going to be taking a long position. All right, and it's that simple. So if you are actually keen on learning all of these amazing strategies, the link to my DM is right in the description of this video, and you can as well just click on it. It's going to send you to my DM, and then you can book a slot for your mentorship classes. It's quite affordable for the actual value you're going to be getting. So let's see what GMT is currently doing on the weekly time frame. I want to see what GMT is currently doing right now. Okay, let me wipe this off. Let me just, okay, no need for that. No need for that. It's currently okay. Okay, so GMT currently, let's plot our support and resistance. We'll have one level here. And we also have another level here. You can see price is already retesting it. This is a perfect trade setup currently. Perfect trade setup. Price is already retesting this level. We have a liquidity sweep here. Breakout structure to the upside, a retest on the other block, and everything is looking very seamless. Very, very, very perfect trade setup, guys. So let me take this out. Take this out. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see the magic that's going on. So you can see I've plotted my accumulation. This is my accumulation schematic. Price is doing what it's supposed to do. When we get a recovery back into this range, it's going to go up with high momentum to show you that buyers are fully in control. I'm going to go back into this range with higher momentum. When this happens, all these traders that believed that this was actually a breakout are going to be trapped. Now, this is not a breakout. I can tell you for free. This right here was not a breakout. This big candle you are seeing is what we call capitulation. This is called panic selling. This was not a breakout. If it was a breakout, it would have taken this low out completely. You see it? It would have taken this low out. But guess what it did? It did not take out that low. Instead, came back again. This is just amazing, pretty amazing. Instead, this is what it did. It grabbed the liquidity below this low. All right, there was a liquidity grab here. It grabbed the liquidity below this low and what? Created a change of character here internally. Price came back to retest, and obviously we're going up. We're going as high. This is a very profitable trade. We're going as high as from 0.2689. We're going as high as 0.35 in less than probably maybe a week, right? So guys, this is basically how it works. So in my signal group, I'm going to be giving this as a signal, and if you have opportunity to watch this video right now, don't miss it for anything, guys. One love, peace out. I'm going to see you in the next video. Let's go.